Okay, so I just won this 2008 Honda Civic, and it is in great shape. I went and looked at it last week. So now it's time that we go and pick it up from Copart. Okay, so I am driving the car right now home. Fifth gear. It's doing very well. Alright everyone, so we have made it home, no problem. The car drove beautiful. Car is pretty much complete, except for this damage right here. This door is it was somehow hit, but it didn't damage the fender much. There's some scratches here. Didn't that damage the A pillar or the B pillar. So I will show you. The B pillar is perfect. This kick panel or whatever it's called is perfect. No airbags deployed. The car is a 5-speed manual. Everything inside is in perfect working condition. Yeah, this is the interior. It's in pretty good shape. Even the car was serviced regularly in a Honda dealership. This is the title, the paperwork, and the owner's manual. And it even have it has new set of tires, and it has the warranty and all kind of, you know, the car was very well taken care of. And I really love when I see something like that, you know. It tells me that I bought a good car. See, that's the only damage. I'm just gonna get another door. It should be around 70 bucks from the junkyard. The car is in great shape. The back end, it needs a good wash. So in the next few videos, I'm gonna repair the door, get it replaced. I'm gonna deep clean the interior and the exterior of the car, get it back to perfect condition. Spare and all the equipment, some floor mats. You know, the car is in really decent shape. This is the back. The driver's side, there is a small dent. I'm gonna try and push that out from the inside, but it's not worth replacing this door. Driver point of view, this is the keys. I'm gonna start it. 159,000 miles, and clutch down, neutron, fires right up. It didn't even need a battery, so I think it's a really good car. Amazing shape. The transmission. This car is, after the door, should be good to go. So there's the engine in pretty good shape. I'm gonna go source a door, and hopefully we get a good one. If not, I'll just get any door that any color. Heading to the junkyard so we can try and find a door for this car. Okay, so I am here at the You Pull and Pay in Phoenix, and I found this door. Not even a dent on it. This is the writing they put on. It's tinted. It has the same interior, really clean. The complete door is, I think it's about 65 bucks out of the door. The mirror is broken, but that's not a big deal. So I think I'm gonna pull this one. The color is a bit different, but what can I do? I can't find the same color. I tried. This is the second junkyard I went to, but I think we're gonna pull this one. So let's get to work. Should be, I think, this 10. The hinges has 12 millimeter or 14, I'm not sure, but it shouldn't be too hard at all. So I'm gonna get to work, and catch you guys in a bit. Okay, so the door is loaded, and it was $67 out of the door. It was pretty heavy because it's a 2-door car. We're good to go. All right, so I am back. I made it home with the new door, the new used door. It is a little bit different color. See, this is kind of purple. This is kind of blue. But this door in an amazing shape. Not even a single dent. I found the mirror in the trunk, so I just popped it back in. And the interior, it's tinted, which I really like. And the door panel is in amazing shape. It's even leather here. Mine is cloth, but it's not gonna make a big difference for me. Remove this fender first so I can work freely with the door, get it adjusted properly as good as I can, and then we can put the fender back on. I'm not too worried about that. There's 3 bolts here, 1 bolt here, and I think 1 bolt up here somewhere, and one or two bolts at the bottom here. So it shouldn't be too hard, but we have to get it done. So let's get started. A bunch of tins on the fender.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us.
And the door was easily removed. So it is out. There's no damage whatsoever to the surround, which is amazing. That is great news. We just have 2 main plugs, a couple of bolts. Now it is time to wrestle the new door on there. So let's get on it.
Jokes are funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me
Okay, so the door is on and it is adjusted the best I can possibly get it. The gaps look good. Everything's okay. Now I'm just gonna put the fender back on the car and we should be good to go. Okay, so it's all back together. It's all done. The door is nice. Everything works. The plug is just a simple plug-in. So grab the keys. Here's the keys. Let me show you. Everything works perfect. Even the speakers should work. Yeah, so I think that's it for now. The car can pass inspection, no problem like that. They don't mind the car in different colors here in Arizona. So I can call that a success.
lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so 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 lucky. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, yeah. You cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah.
Alright guys, so that's it for the Honda Civic daily driver. It gets 35 miles per gallon. That's the main reason I bought it. And I paid $1,500 for at the auction out of the door. I won it at exactly $1,000. And I paid around $100 to buy a used door and repaint it. And I paid around $200 for the inspection and the registration. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed. Please be safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.